Hey YouTube, this is Puppy Bowl 2012, and my dog Pal is gonna go nuts. His mommy's holding him, right, Pal? Pal. He doesn't want to look at me. He's ready to go. Ready? Okay, here we go. Start the Puppy Bowl.
First on the field is Fumble. Let's hope his name doesn't reflect his football skills.
There goes Pal.
Oscar is a dachshund. Doesn't take any guff. Next is Marbles. Don't let his baby blues fool you. Word is this pup comes to play.
Likes watching this Puppy Bowl. He gets very excited.
Coming down the chute now is Basket. He might be the biggest, but he doesn't back down from anyone. And finally, here comes Prancer. This cuddly Shih Tzu isn't all fluff. He'll stand up to any big dog.
You know what Team Pal likes?
It's game time.
Uh-oh.
The pups are on the field. Fumble wastes no time showing his canine competitors how it's done. But Oscar isn't backing down.
Look at him go, back and forth, back and forth.
Two are already in a frenetic fight-o free-for-all. That Fumble loves to play aggressive ball. You better be careful, or he could be flagged. And Fumble
Get him, Pal.
Dachshund.
Go get the puppies.
That's an illegal tackle. 10-yard penalty.
Oh, is he done?
Look at me for sympathy.
While Fumble cools
Nope.
off,
Still watching this Puppy Bowl.
decided it's his ball. Coaches love to see their players protecting the ball, and Marbles is doing it like a real pro. Fumble and Oscar continue to tussle, and Marbles joins in. That's a perfect doggy double team.
You done?
From high above Animal Planet Stadium, the Icebreakers Frost Blip gives us a hamster's
There's our
view
hamsters.
of that big tackle by Oscar. Fumble and Oscar are still tearing up the turf. And now Prancer wants to
Back
play.
and forth, back and forth. This is what I do
By Oscar.
when I watch
Deserves another
TV
look.
with any animal.
First, the little guy hip checks Prancer. Next comes the old drop and spin move. That's pooch perfect execution. Outside, the tailgaters are loving it.
Oh man, I wish I was there tailgating with them.
Tightest pup-to-pup coverage you'll ever see.
God bless you.
The Biggie
God bless you.
is on their toes. They love these hard-working
That
animals.
piggies?
Here comes Prancer, applying pressure at the line of scrimmage.
You guys might think this is funny or cute. So when you're trying to watch a movie or a TV show that has any type of animal, this is what he does. He usually barks more.
Pixie and Baskin huddle by the ball. But Oscar decides this one's his.
Illegal use of paws by the defense, half the distance to the ball.
Oscar's paw
Let's
penalty
change the
was
channel.
tough to see from this angle.
And you'll see he will stop watching TV.
Got him right.
Go to Food Paradise.
Cravers have even made their way onto the big screen. In the
White Castle,
2004
Food
comedy,
Castle.
Harold and Kumar go to White Castle. The story of a
no more
late-night
puppies.
journey to
Puppies are
satisfy
gone.
a desperate burger urge.
He just sat down. Now I'm gonna change it back to the Puppy Bowl and watch him go crazy.
Nearly 9 decades.
I know it, sweetheart. I'm talking about it.
Uh-oh.
So let's help Yogi and all those
See
other
a
dogs
doggy?
in need. Right?
There he goes.
Your
Just seen a dog and he started barking.
Foundation will support its mission to help dogs find loving homes. With help from dog lovers like you, we will fund grants to support thousands of shelters and breed rescues. Visit pedigreefoundation.org and make a donation. Your contribution will provide food and comfort for these dogs while they wait for a home. Yes, I know. So please, visit pedigreefoundation.org. It's the least we can do for our
Watch
best
TV
friends
right here.
like Yogi.
Puppy Bowl 8 is brought to you in part by Chase Freedom. Get your cash back.
Get your cash.
Oh, that's it. Commercial.
Which cashback food looks better to you?